Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a webcam error or you need updated drivers for your various webcams. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to have the links for the drivers for the three webcams in the description video. Just go ahead and select whichever one is applicable for your computer and your webcam, and just go paste it into the address bar up at the top. I'm going to use the vx-1000 for this example here, and I'm just going to go ahead and select the download this file button. I'm going to do the security test here. Select download now. It's only about 3 megabytes, and I imagine the other two are about the same size, so go ahead and expand that and then select show in folder. I'm just going to actually go ahead and open it up. It appears it did not open in the folder. I'm going to use File Explorer to open it up. Select OK. You can close out of the web browser now. And now that I have these drivers, I'm going to just go ahead and drag them over to my desktop. Again, select the one that's applicable for your webcam. And once you have them on your desktop, you can close out of here. Open up the Start menu. Type in Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You should have a camera section in here. I don't actually have a camera hooked up, but if you did, you would go double click on the camera section near the top. You'd right click on what would come up underneath camera. Again, I'm just showing you guys an example, but for your case, it should say camera, and then you would expand that and then select the camera underneath of it. You would right click on it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, and where it says search for drivers in this location, select the browse button. Go ahead and select the desktop, and then go locate the folder that we just downloaded here. Select OK, and then you would select next, and you would go ahead and actually go through the process and install the drivers from there. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Like I said, I just did the example of under a computer, but in your case you would want to look for camera and expand the camera and then update the specific camera that you were having the issue with, that you were downloading the correct files for. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.